It was just a gift, and it was not something that just, it was, I think it was planned in some way. And I said, I'm going to use this for the better.
Welcome back, and thank you for watching the Dr. Nandi Show. You've heard from several of my guests who've suffered terribly with pain. Their determination to find root causes and solutions not only led to them healing themselves, but they're using the experience to heal others as well. Now, that's exactly what my next guest is doing. Phaedra Antioco was a pediatric therapist on her way home from work when she had a rollover car accident. A passing truck driver stopped and cut loose the seatbelt that was strangling her. She woke up in the hospital in a full body brace on a ventilator with multiple injuries, including a serious brain injury. Now, she's a therapist who became the patient. Please welcome Phaedra Antioco. Phaedra, thank you for joining us. What an amazing story. You are a miracle.
Thanks for having me.
Of course. Of course. Tell me what happened and your journey. You know, I mean, what changed your life, you know, with having this?
Well, it was just a perfect day driving home from work.
Yeah.
And I woke up from a coma, and wow, my world changed. And yes, I had physical pain, but the trauma of just what I'd learned, what happened to me, it was overwhelming. And I heard I had a brain injury, and I'm like, I treat brain injury, I'm not supposed to get one.
Right.
And I did everything I could to overcome it.
And what was life like? So, you're driving home from work like every other day, and then you have this horrible event. What was life like then?
It was challenging. I was in shock. I was in pain and did whatever I could to keep moving forward. And I was alone, and I had to reach out for support. The community raised money for me.
Wow.
Family came, and they were able to be there for me and get me through it.
And what are the symptoms you were having? Like, what kinds of things were happening to your body that had never happened before?
Well, I had a severe brain injury,
Yeah.
so I couldn't think straight. I was funny with my words. I had a near spinal cord injury, so I had numbness. I couldn't get up. I had to roll to the side to put the full body brace on. And my leg bones, it was an open fracture, so they came out of my legs. And to this day, I still have a broken fibula in my lower leg, but I've found some great solutions for it.
That's amazing. And tell me your journey and how you found those solutions. I know your family came and the community did, but what did you do? But what's amazing to me is amazing people like yourselves, in that so many people have tragedies, but what they do, for those of you who are listening, is that they let that overcome their lives. And what you did was you took that and you said, how am I going to make solutions? I'm not going to let this beat me. Tell me, first of all, why you did that, and also how you overcome and how you found your solutions.
I think it was my strategy. I mean, it really, in some ways, it was a gift that it happened.
Wow.
It was just a gift, and it was not something that just, it was, I think it was planned in some way. And I said, I'm going to use this for the better. And it was an intense injury. You look at those pictures, they're really intense.
Yeah.
So I said, I need to find a way to help people, and a lot of it is the determination. And there was this inner fire in me.
And tell me about this myofascial release, because that's a tremendous technique. Tell me about this, and did it help you, and who it can help?
It can help anyone. It really helped me. I had so much pain that I just needed someone to put their hands on me and acknowledge the pain. And in my neuro rehab, there was an occupational therapist, and he had done the training. And I said, wow, I need to learn this. And it's a sustained, steady pressure on the body, and it helps organize the nervous system to go to the area, and then the muscles start to unravel. So a regular massage, they go on, off, on, off.
Yes.
It stimulates the nervous system.
Yeah.
We go right there. We meet the barrier of the fascia, and it just starts to unravel. So sometimes, though, we check out, we leave our body in the muscle, we can feel that in there. So we use dialoguing and guide the person to feel into their body part. In my case, it was the leg.
So it's physical as well as spirituality.
Spiritual and mental, because when we are in pain, when I was being strangled by the seatbelt, which I still kind of feel in my body, the body remembers it. The nervous system goes into fight, flight, or freeze.
Yeah, in my
And
notes, you've said that. You said, you know, that you felt like your body remembered being strangled, even though your mind did not remember. What does that mean?
Well, when I had the myofascial release treatment, the release they gave in my diaphragm, it brought out the fear of a high speed, you know, wow. And that's what happened. So
But
I
your
said, I
body
need to know
remembered
that.
that.
My body remembered.
Even though your mind had forgotten
Yep.
about it because of the brain injury. That's fascinating. And so once that myofascial release helped your body then stop remembering and then giving the pain as a response. That's amazing. So for those who are watching, and if you're following with us, it's the fact that her body actually felt that seatbelt and felt that whole impact, and your body has a memory. And I hope that her story has inspired you just as much as it's obviously inspired me. It was a devastating accident that she turned into a gift for herself and others. And we're about to take a break. Up next is my final expert, a good friend of ours, a medical doctor who has treated patients who felt that there was absolutely no hope of feeling normal and healthy again. We'll be right back. Please stay with us. Hi everyone, I'm Dr. Partha Nandi, and if you enjoyed that video, you're going to love the next one. It's full of incredible information to help you start your health hero journey.